Welcome to 212 Kimberly Road, an architectural gem in North Barrington, Illinois. Designed in 1949 by Don Tossi, a protege of the legendary Bruce Goff, this mid-century modern home is a rare fusion of geometry, space, and artistry. In this project, we were invited to do something equally special: transform Precast Terrazzo tiles into a seamless poured-look terrazzo floor, something rarely seen in residential construction today. These terrazzo tiles were already installed by the homeowner, but we began by preparing the floor for transformation. Using handheld scrapers, we carefully cleaned out grout joints, removing any tinted deposits or debris left behind. It's essential that these joints are completely cleared out before any resin work begins. Next, we filled the joints using a custom-made color-matching resin that perfectly blended with the terrazzo matrix. This application is precise and intentional. We overfilled the joints slightly to allow for proper leveling during grinding. Then we let the resin cure overnight, preparing it for next major step. Grinding begins with our planetary machines equipped with metal bond diamond discs. This first cut is rough but powerful. It removes all excess resin, evens out the floor, and begins the journey from tiles to seamless surface. This is where the vision starts taking shape. And this is also why Precast Terrazzo is such a powerful solution for homes. Getting poured terrazzo into residential settings is nearly impossible today. Most terrazzo companies are fully booked with large commercial jobs, but Precast Terrazzo, when treated properly, can achieve the same visual and structural impact. We follow the grinding with detailed edge work, bringing the same level of precision to the perimeter as the field. This ensures every inch of the floor is perfectly flat, seamless, and ready for refinement. During grinding, small imperfections can show into tiny pinholes or micro voids. We inspect the entire floor with flashlights, searching for even the smallest flaws. Each one is carefully filled and blended so final floor has no visible seams or weaknesses. Now we enter the honing process, moving step by step from 200 to 400, 800, 1500, and finally 3500 grid resin bond pads. This stage tightens the terrazzo surface, gradually building its clarity and lustre. Every step is mechanical, no coatings, no shortcuts, just patience, diamonds, and craftsmanship. And here is the beauty of Precast Terrazzo. Because it's made in controlled environment, compressed and air removed like quartz countertops, it polishes with incredible sharpness. That density gives you a reflective, smooth finish that feels like stone but shines like glass. After honing, we polish the surface with the marble polishing paste designed specifically for terrazzo. It enhances the finish while preserving its natural texture. The process requires perfect balance, enough pressure, enough coverage, and total control to bring out the consistent, clean brilliance. With the polish complete, we move to sealing. We use floor machine equipped with a water tank and mix our sealing agent directly into water. As the machine buffs the solution into a floor, it penetrates evenly and subtly, enhancing the look while offering lasting protection without artificial shine. And here it is, the final result, a seamless reflective terrazzo floor in a mid-century masterpiece of a home. Before and after footage reveals just how far the surface has come, from separated tiles to a unified expression of craftsmanship. The project proves that even today's fast-paced building world, we can still create timeless surfaces that honor both materials and space. This is power of real terrazzo, restored with precision, elevated by technique, and always driven by respect for the space it lives in.